What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about MicroStrategy today. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Let's get into it. Let's talk about the price action here. We're sitting at about $333.97. Opening up the week to the red side, we kind of expected that because Bitcoin was down a little bit. I was actually just measuring Bitcoin at a couple key areas here and MicroStrategy, and looking at the price. Here back in November 4th to November 21st here, MicroStrategy grew 146%. That same time frame, Bitcoin only grew 49%. Here, Bitcoin from New Year's Eve until January 21st moved up about 20%. That same time frame there, where is it? That same time frame, MicroStrategy moved up 41.9%, right? So Bitcoin moved up 19%, MicroStrategy moved up 41.9%. This here is essentially this one here that has no price to back it up. It's just a projection. That's about a 14 to 15% move. That's essentially, I think, what we would have to see Bitcoin do, or at least something around there. Maybe it wouldn't have to be that much, but something around, I think, 12% or higher is what we would have to see Bitcoin do in order for MicroStrategy to make a, what was it? A 30% move, 31% move, yeah. Because from its current price all the way up to these highs by the end of the week, that's what I was saying, that'd be a 31% move. Likely that wouldn't happen unless Bitcoin by the end of this week. It would have to happen by Friday for MicroStrategy if Bitcoin was at $106.6 thousand. And it's possible. I'm not saying that it won't happen, but it might not. It's definitely not likely, in my opinion, to happen. It is possible. Watch in 3 days' time, Bitcoin's up at these prices or beyond. That'd be phenomenal. I don't care if I'm wrong. I think we'd all be rejoicing. But likely, in 3 days' time, Bitcoin's not at 106,000. I think in 3 days' time, we'd be lucky to be at 102 or 103, and maybe not lucky, but that would be the limitations, I think, of what we could see in this amount of time. So with that in mind, while yes, these targets and well beyond new all-time highs are on the table, I think that it's an appropriate time to say that by the end of this week, we probably will not be at 435 to 445. By the end of this week, yet again, another week where we were looking for that at the beginning of the week, and it just didn't go the way that we were expecting it to. I would think instead by the end of this week, we're probably going to be at this relative high here, something just below $400, if not right above 400, but something right around that area nonetheless. That's my expectation. I do think that this is the beginning, right? I think yesterday, not today, not Tuesday, but yesterday or last week, sorry, Friday, last week's Friday, I think that was a breakout signal. I think today you just kind of back tested your breakout, and then tomorrow and the days after, we will continue to grow. But that growth might be rather limited, right? I don't expect it to cut loose all the way up to these areas here, unless Bitcoin cuts loose too. And I personally don't see that happening. I do see it happening, just not right now, not this week, not tomorrow, not within the next 3 days. So I think at best we would see targets around 400. It's completely possible that we don't do that, but I would expect by the end of this week, at a bare minimum, we are above 355, probably even above 360 or higher, right? So I've got nothing else for you guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I am stuttering and not able to talk tonight because I'm sleep deprived, man. It was a long day. I had some stuff happen, so I had to start videos later, but we're here now. So if this video is a little shorter, I apologize for that, but that's just the name of the game, man. I got to get to bed. So hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.